Hey guys, it's Tony. So I had a lot of comments ask me about my Patreon page. I guess I didn't. I guess I wasn't posting it in the description or anything. So I'm gonna make it just a quick video of my Patreon. I actually just started it last weekend. I don't really have any tiers. Like I said, I'm still pretty new at being a creator and stuff. I'm not really offering like specific tiers or anything. It's just one tier and it's all access for everything. So you would get access to exactly how I trade. So you're getting access to the indicator that I created and possibly future indicators that I program. I'm sharing my full setup. So this is gonna be like a multiple string of videos of how I teach you guys basically how to trade, at least my style. If you enjoy the way that I do TA or my style of trading, then I definitely recommend you join. If you're looking for a signal service or a signal provider, that's not what I provide. I'm basically just teaching you guys how to trade based off of the indicators that I've programmed myself. Like I said, I would never be sharing my indicators unless it was somewhere like here. I wasn't even going to share my stuff. It was really just because I had a lot of push from my subscribers on TikTok and YouTube and stuff that wanted me to make this. Like I said, this is something that I didn't want to share. And if anything, I'm gonna actually cap the what is it called? Cap the members, because I don't want it to be like an extraordinary amount of people that come on here, and there's like now my indicator and everything else is like all over the place. So it's not. I mean, I've already been approached by other programmers on TradingView and that, or other people that have seen my videos and seen the reverse MACD and have wanted to buy the source code off me. But I didn't want to sell it just because I like keeping stuff private. But again, this is only for if you want to learn how to trade. It's very basic TA. I go by historical patterns. I don't really trade off of candle patterns. It's mostly mostly it's just going to be teaching you guys how to trade. It's you guys have access to asking me whatever you guys want. If you guys want to have like personal TAs and stuff, like I said, it's really just like a one-stop shop to basically everything that I know I'm gonna post on here, and I'm not gonna be posting any of these videos anywhere else. Not on my TikTok, not on my YouTube, not if I ever start like a Twitter or like an Instagram or something. I'm never gonna be releasing this. So if you're a part of my Patreon page, then you'll have access to everything as long as you're a part of it. But yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to make the video because I had a bunch of people asking, and instead of pinning the link on every single video's comments, I would rather just make a video and kind of share that and stuff. But yeah, my Patreon is just But I'm Not a Trader. You can just look it up on Patreon, search my name. I should definitely pop up. It's going to be the one with the Elon Musk picture on it and stuff. But yeah, it really is just one tier, $10 a month. That's it. I'm not really looking for anything else. But have a great day, guys. This is just for the people who were asking about it. I will see you guys next time. By the way, Bitcoin is actually rallying. ADA is rallying. I haven't looked at Ethereum, but crypto is moving pretty hard right now, which I'm super excited about, because there's still a chance that I can drop, right? Like, I'm still pretty fearful of the weekly chart, but as of right now, short term, everything definitely looks bullish. So super awesome. I will see you guys later. Bye.